All right. So we're installing this sexy beast right here. We're definitely putting that in the video. And I don't know where his hub is, but yeah, we're installing that. And first things first, kids. You take the battery off so the airbag don't blow up in your face. And then you do your shit.
What's wrong?
All right. So we got the positive battery terminal off, and I guess now we're gonna start putting in the steering wheel.
I'm gonna search up what the airbag fuses or where it is.
Hey, bud. So there is.
One sec, John's retarded.
Let me see if I can see it. Oh, this is such bad. This is so bad. Okay. Well, I don't know what that's for, but there's a Phillips head right here, and the same on the other side. And then I forget what that's called, but I don't think I have it. There's two. There's one on this side, and there's one on that side. You can take it off, and then the wheel comes off. And we'll show you us taking it off. Huh?
Did it come out already?
Wait, what?
Wait, what? What? Do my work for me. Try not to move the wheel too much.
I can't find the hole. I cannot put it in.
Yeah, same with your sex life.
They don't love you today? Hey. This is true. Adam.
Is it even a Phillips?
It's a fucking, yeah, it's this thing.
A star?
It's a star.
Jesus Christ. That was definitely a Honda.
It was definitely a prelude.
Straight right prelude.
I like that technique right there, bud. Look at that. Oh, wow. So, are you getting it in or out or whatever?
I always get confused when it's like righty, lefty. Wait, lefty, loosey, righty,
okay,
tighty.
dude, I have
but it's like opposite side?
I have the socket set to turn loose.
Oh. Shit.
Yeah.
So it'd be like, wait. One sec, I need to look at it this way. So it's like.
Are you serious?
No, you're retarded. That's
no.
Wrong.
No, it's not.
It's gonna be turning.
Dude, what? There's a.
It's gonna be loosening.
Oh my.
Okay, all right. It's been a long work day. It's Friday. Give me a break. Loosen. That's it.
We realized we fucked up, and we need that bolt thing that we have no idea what it's called. It's called a hex bolt star thing, dude.
T30 hex bit with a hole in the middle.
What is it called with a hole in the middle?
I have no idea.
Okay, so we're gonna go to Crappy Tire, and we're gonna go pick one up. Holy shit, John!
There it is. 6,000.
All right, so catch back up with you when we have it. So went to Canadian Tire and got our
all over my shirt.
whatever these things are called. What are they called?
Bits. Ratcheting driver and bit set.
Good to know.
It's a lifetime warranty.
Ooh.
Oh, it's fucking tight.
Tight as a teenage whatever. Yeah, all right.
Oh, rip. Oh my, dude, that's not gonna budge.
Are you serious? Are you that weak?
No.
All right, hold
yes.
it. Hold it. Hold the camera. I got it.
You get this?
I get what?
Oh, oops! I took a picture. Took another picture.
You're calling me weak?
Excuse me?
Wow. Do you even like?
Do you even lift, bro?
My lips.
This is
Okay,
tight.
we need your torque wrench.
This is
Get your torque wrench. Oh my god.
Don't put this on the video.
This is the last bolt before the big mother. Yeah, inside there.
Rip.
We found the bolt, but now he broke it.
No, I'm doing it. It's this.
Is it on the L?
It
That's
was in
the right.
It was in the middle.
No, the snip bit left. Left. Yeah, now you're good.
It's not
You put it on the L. What do you think L stands for?
loose.
Shut up.
So,
Fuck up.
finally got that off, and now we're taking off the airbag.
Oh shit! How do you
Plugs.
take
You know what you're doing?
Yes.
What?
I don't know.
No?
I don't know what I'm doing.
Wait, Adam, what are you doing?
What? I'm messing with the airbags. All my teeth are gonna break. Can you hold it? Good teamwork.
Hey, it's no
Even worse.
What'd you just do?
Nut just cracks. When your nut cracks.
Leave the bolt half on so you don't hit yourself in the face when you pull off your wheel.
All your teeth break.
Oh, look at you're giving a blowjob right there. I believe.
You trying to pull it? Or are you just trying to pull it off?
No, John. I just like yanking on my
want me
wheel.
to try and fucking pull it? Let me try it.
Seen it.
I don't know.
Let me try this.
Alright, fucking big fucking nips.
Holy
and
shit.
Nice, your fingers in the way, I think.
No,
Yeah, your fingers in the way, you dumbass.
Hey, you know what, John? Jesus Christ.
Just don't hit yourself in the face.
Oh!
Good, bruh. That was loud.
Where's the nut? Where's the big old nut?
Oh, good job, buddy.
Where's the...
Are your teeth still not broken? Wait, yeah, they're fine.
Christ.
Here's your nutter.
rice?
Nice rice.
Rice or rooney? I'm
That
tightening it.
focus is on point.
I was tightening it, guys.
Good job, buddy.
Wow. Okay, how about you just drive like this?
Rip.
Don't worry, that was just a clip. So,
Oh, I can because the cover. Remember
Yeah.
that sleeve?
what sleeve?
This will tuck in like here, and then the sleeve will go around it. Oh, but that would be kind of like sketchy.
No, this will spin with it.
Duh.
Yeah. Alright, so we got the wheel off, and now we're just trying to figure out how to get this onto there. As you guys can see, it's dark out now. We had to make some modifications to this $100 Sparco hub. Fuck you, Sparco. No shoutouts for you. And
Sparco screwed somewhere.
and now we're finally getting to bolt it down, and we almost get to put the steering wheel on. It's in that darkness back there. But yeah, as you can see, it's pitch black out now. So that only took us a good like 4 hours when it was supposed to take us 30 minutes. All right, well,
Christ.
it's getting hard at him.
I don't know how much I need to torque this down.
Just
I'm gonna
tighten
be
it.
driving. It's gonna be like. It's gonna be like 140. My car's just like. I'm like dead. Next thing I know, I'm dead. I wake up dead.
You wake up dead. Good to know. Okay, we'll get back to you when the wheel's on.
That's-
It's even darker now, but hey, look. We got the wheel.
Can you take my keys out?
Yeah, for sure, bud. Okay, and now that was a little pause, but now we got it on, and now we're gonna put the battery terminal back on, and now we're gonna start it. What socket is that?
It's nice. How simple it is.
Adam!
What?
What socket?
It's heard.
What? I can't get the fucking thing. Oh my god, I got the wrong one. Mother. Adam, you're a great help right now.
What's
Fuck. Put it back on.
What do you get me to do this?
It looks like such fucking bitches don't film this.
Dude,
Is it
we're
tightening
car
now? Is it
people.
torquing now?
We're twerking right now. Damn right.
You guys torquing it hard, or are they torquing it?
Oh, mommy.
Where the fuck did you come from?
Whoa.
Who's that? Who's that?
Derek.
Oh, what the fuck? What's up, man?
So we finished the wheel install, and we're gonna go take the car for a rip to see if everything's good, if the thing's straight, and there's a sneak peek of the next install. Oh shit! Alright, so we're recording now, and so far the wheel looks straight, and is it solid?
Yeah, it's solid.
Alright, so I guess that was a kind of a little how-to and not, because we kind of had no idea what the fuck we were doing at one point, so...
I think it's straight. Yeah.
Yeah, it's totally straight. And we had to adjust it so like the blinkers still work and everything, so
It feels
We'll-
so weird.
we'll
Like,
show you at the corner if the blinkers still work. I think we got it. Ooh, a little Polskis. Oh. Okay,
Feels-
so hopefully test your turn signal, see if it still works.
Oh, they're so far away. Usually I could do it. That's so weird. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like,
All right.
oh,
Moment of truth.
Oh, thank God.
Let's see if it still works. Oh shit.
Thank God.
Good job, bruh. All right. Yeah. So the modification we had to do,
My lights aren't.
we had to drill a hole for that little.
Rip my high beam.
For that little white nub on the there that controls the blinkers and shit, and we got it to work. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. And our next install is another thing on the back of the 350, and it's made of carbon fiber. Guess what it is? But tune in for the next video. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. See you guys later.
Turn us into